How to make money with cryptocurrency, 5 easy ways. Truth be told, there are quite a handful of methods you can make legitimate money with cryptocurrencies other than the obvious way of trading. We, therefore, decided to explore some of the proven ways of how to make money with cryptocurrency. We found quite a few, but be assured that you'll find them very impressive. Way 1. Buy and hodl. This is the most common way of earning money from cryptocurrencies. Most investors buy coins such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and more, and wait until their value rise. Once their market prices rise, they sell at a profit. Way 2. Earn cryptocurrency dividends. Did you know that you can buy cryptos and hold them for the dividend? Well, there are a number of coins that will get you paid for simply buying and holding their digital assets. A few examples of coins that pay out dividends include COS, CEFF, NEO, KuCoin, and more. Way 3. Run cryptocurrency master nodes. Many cryptocurrencies pay node operators to maintain a real-time record of their activities on their native blockchains. Since the process is complex and requires one to maintain a certain minimum number of coins under their master nodes, crypto platforms prefer outsourcing the service to master node operators at a fee. Examples of proof-of-stake cryptos that have master nodes include Dash and Pivx. Way 4. Stake cryptos. Staking involves holding coins in a live wallet, thus allowing you to earn additional coins for securing that particular crypto network. Some examples of coins that can be staked include Navcoin, Pivx, Neblio, Decreed, and many more. Way 5. Day trading. More than 80% of cryptocurrency investors believe that the only effective way, if not the only way, to earn money in this space is through day trading. But what most of them don't know is that day trading is more than just holding an asset until its value rises. It takes a lot to be a day trader, but most importantly, you need to have the proper analytical and technical skills. You'll need to analyze market charts on the performance of the listed assets. This is perhaps the most involving way of earning from cryptos, but I believe one of the most rewarding. So, can you make money with cryptocurrency? Well, there, you now have your answer. You now have 5 ways of how to make money with cryptocurrency. Try the ones that work for you and see their impact. And if you've tried any of the above mentioned or different ways, please share with us in the comments section.